First of all, we need to acknowledge that it is super meta to be doing a video about video marketing, but here we are. And video might seem like a weird thing for me to be talking about using Agile for, because it can seem like it's a strange place to experiment, but it's actually kind of perfect. We have to remember that minimum viable something requires it to be both minimum and viable. So figuring out what's something small that you can start doing and still have it be viable and valuable for your audience. Because you don't want to pay a huge amount of money for tons of equipment or studio time if people are not actually going to consume your video and then convert into customers. So this is why it's totally fine to start with your phone and some just casual Q&A type content. You can save the high production value for later on or for some really high impact stuff that you can see strong engagement around. Once you know that video is doing what you hoped it would, then it's time to really dial in your process. So I'm sitting in a nice studio setup right now. We tested video, it was performing well and adding value to our learners and to our customers. And so we bought some lights and a nice teleprompter and a camera, and we sat down and developed a process whereby I do scripts, I record video, goes to be edited, gets added to content, and now it's an easy, repetitive thing that we can just sit down and do. But we waited until we knew it was going to work before we did that. You don't need a giant 5-figure upfront investment. You can be agile about your video, but process is always going to make it perform better.